In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase download speed in Microsoft Edge. Start by opening Microsoft Edge. We'll make a few quick adjustments that can help the browser manage files more efficiently and reduce anything that might be slowing downloads behind the scenes. In the address bar, type Edge, flags, and press Enter. This opens Edge's Experimental Features page. Use the search box at the top to look for Parallel Downloading. When you find it, change its setting from Default to Enabled. Parallel downloading works by splitting a file into multiple smaller parts and fetching them at the same time, which can help saturate your available bandwidth and shorten overall download time. Because this page contains experimental options, only change the item you came for. If you ever notice odd behavior later, you can return to this page and switch it back to default. After enabling it, relaunch the browser when prompted. If you don't see a prompt, close Edge and open it again to apply the change. Next, go to Edge, Extensions. This page lists all extensions installed in your browser. Extensions that inspect web traffic, modify downloads, or run continuously in the background can sometimes slow things down. Toggle off any extensions that you don't need during downloads, especially ones that monitor or filter content. You're not uninstalling them, just turning them off temporarily. After making your selections, restart Edge once more so the changes take effect cleanly. Now, click the three-dot icon in the top right corner and choose Settings. In the left sidebar, select System and Performance. Then open the System section within that area. Look for the option labeled Use Hardware Acceleration when available, and make sure it's turned on. Hardware acceleration shifts certain tasks from your CPU to your graphics processor, freeing up resources that can help the browser stay responsive and maintain steadier download throughput. If turning this on prompts you to relaunch, go ahead. If you later notice visual glitches on very old hardware, you can come back to this setting and turn it off. That's it. You've enabled parallel downloading to make better use of your connection, reduce the chance of extensions interfering with downloads, and ensured hardware acceleration is helping the browser run smoothly. These changes apply to Microsoft Edge only, so they won't affect other apps on your device. After this, you should see faster, more consistent download speeds, especially on larger files or when your connection supports multiple simultaneous streams. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit any step if you need to tweak your setup later.